When we have to give the domain and range of rational functions, I tend to go ahead and do the graph first and then look at it to see what the domain and range are. So if we remember, domain is all of our x values. We want to figure out, what can x be? And if I look at the graph, just left to right, I have x's here, I have x's, 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 but then it just kind of it's like it hops over this spot and picks up in the top, and we have x's, x's, x's. So there's just this one spot where we don't have any x's, and that is going to be wherever that asymptote is, which right here, x equals 2 is our asymptote. So our domain is going to be all real numbers, but we're not going to have any x values on that vertical asymptote at 2. Now our range, same idea. Range goes up and down. What do I want? Red. Up and down with your y. So thinking up and down like this, here we have graph, and then it just kind of hops over and it picks up over here, and we have graph going down. So we have all these y values except for this one spot. So our range is all real numbers, but our y is not equal to that one spot, which is a 1. Now if you notice, these do tie in with where your asymptotes are. If you have an asymptote, you're going to see that number pop up in your domain or range, because that's where, like I said, we just kind of jump right over it and pick up. You're not going to have any x or y values in that spot.